I guess my horse got stung by a bee or something, because all of a sudden he just skronked the math out. We went off-road, and I got thrown back into my wagon. When the shaking stopped, I crawled out, only to find I was wedged deep in a hole and sinking fast. I had just enough time to rig up a parachute, and I've been falling ever since. Sometimes walnuts would fall into the hole, and sometimes rain. And I guess that was enough.
So how did you pass the time?
Well, for a long time, I just waited to be rescued. 599 Mississippi, 3,600 Mississippi, but that was crazy boring. So then I got really into free cell, and things got a lot better.
Free cell?
Yeah, it's like solitaire, but there's very few unsolvable shuffles. It's a great game. Great game. I really love it. But it's nice, you know, to have someone I can play free cell alongside of.
Yeah, man. You know, also, I know some other card games we could play. You know, together.
I forgot there were games like that.
And then there was another time, this was several years back, the clock chimed early and I thought, oh boy, here we go. But it turned out one of the food boys had simply gotten wedged under Finn.
Huh?
Are you listening?
Of course. Food boy in the clock.
Huh, yes. Anyway, as I was saying, one of the food boys had gotten himself wedged in the clock.
All right, buddy. Let's run through this again, because we're only gonna get one shot. When the clock strikes 12, I beckon kindly to yonder food boys. Hey, you guys like clean jokes? Then chuck some delicious food in their mouths. Having never before known generosity, they'll immediately make me their leader and undo my spaghetti. Ha-ha! Then, with a perfectly timed serving tray, I'll deflect the Hunter Box brass arrow. Swift but delicate, the arrow will gain heft via the chandelier bat's filched asparagus. Meanwhile, the serving tray from before has entered phase 2, sending Ken Mangosteen careening into the clean silverware. But also, the asparagus arrow has caused the domino thing of food to happen, culminating in a huge lemon falling. It's not a perfect plan, but with a little luck, I think it's got a good chance. Hey, you guys like clean jokes?
What the? Food boys? Seize the child!
Ugh.
Finn? Finn? There's nowhere to run, Finn. You know you'll never escape.
I'm not trying to escape anymore. I'm gonna murder your stupid clock, you psycho!
No!
Yup!
No!
Accumulate. Figures. Bigger interest. Capital times. Forgotten like. Stars and naysayers. Cards and bars. Warm scarves. To the hothouse. Take your socks off.
Jake!
Oh, hey, Finn. Who's your new friend?
He's not my friend, he's bad! He kidnapped the heck out of me!
Why, you?
What are you gonna do about it? Maybe I'll go ahead and kidnap you?
Woo! Hey, Seven. Now that you're out of that hole, what's the first thing you want to do?
Oh, I want a giant hot dog.
Ugh. Don't you know those things are made out of, like, the grossest junk?
Man, I don't give a toot.
Click on one of the videos and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.